This story is called Millions of Cats. And there's a part in it for you to help me with. It goes like this. Cats here, cats there, cats and kittens everywhere. Hundreds of cats, thousands of cats, millions and billions and trillions of cats. Try it with me. Cats here, cats there, cats and kittens everywhere. Hundreds of cats, thousands of cats, millions and billions and trillions of cats. There was once a little old man and a little old woman, and they lived together happily in a little old house. One day the little old man said, "You know, my dear, I think we would be happier if we had a cat." "All right," said the little old woman, "go and get us one." And so the little old man left the little old house and went walking down into the cool valleys and up onto the sunny hillsides. He walked and he walked down into the cool valleys and up onto the sunny hillsides until he came to a hillside that was completely covered with cats. Cats here, cats there, cats and kittens everywhere. Hundreds of cats, thousands of cats, millions and billions and trillions of cats. "Oh my," said the little old man, "look at you. I think you all should come home with me." "Meow, meow," said all the cats. And the little old man turned around and began walking back home. And the cats followed him. Cats here, cats there, cats and kittens everywhere. Hundreds of cats, thousands of cats, millions and billions and trillions of cats. They walked up over the sunny hillsides and down into the cool valleys, and they came to a lake. "Meow, meow," said the cats. "We are thirsty." "Very well," said the little old man, "have a drink." And so each of the cats took a sip from the lake, and just like that, the lake was dry. Well, the man went on, and the cats followed. They went up over the sunny hillsides and down into the cool valleys. Cats here, cats there, cats and kittens everywhere. Hundreds of cats, thousands of cats, millions and billions and trillions of cats. They came to a hillside completely covered with sweet new grass. The cat said, "Meow, meow, we are hungry." "Very well," said the little old man, "you may eat this grass." And so nibble, 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 crunch, crunch, crunch. Each cat took a bite from that sweet green grass, and the hillside was bare. Well, they walked on over the sunny hillsides and down into the cool valleys until they came back to the little old house. The cats followed the little old man up to his doorstep. The little old woman heard them coming. She came out of the door. "Oh my," said the little old woman, "look at all these cats. We can't keep all these cats. We can keep one." "Oh dear," said the little old man, "how shall I choose?" Ask the cats, said the little old woman, and she went inside and closed the door. Cats, which one of you should I choose? Choose me, said a gray cat. Choose me, said a yellow tiger. No, no, choose me, said a snow white cat. And I would be the one to choose, said a calico. A solid black said, give me a chance. I'm the cat for you, said an orange tabby. A tuxedo said, no, no, choose me. An orange and brown spotted cat said, I'm the one. No, said a striped yellow cat, I should be your cat. And choose me, I'm the one, said an orange cat with black stripes. Oh dear, I don't know which cat to choose, said the little old man. I don't know. And then the cats began to speak all together. Choose me, no me, I'm the one, I'm your cat, choose me. Meow, hiss. They began to argue and fuss and howl and meow. Well, the little old man didn't like all that noise and commotion. So he went inside and closed the door. He could still hear all the noise outside. Meow, 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 hiss, meow. And then finally, it got quiet. And the little old man came out of the house. The cats were gone. It was quiet again. And then the little old man heard a tiny little noise. Meow, meow. The little old man thought, there's one more cat. And he followed the sound to a clump of grass. And there in the middle of the grass was a little gray kitten with big blue eyes. And she looked up at him and said, meow. Oh, are you the only one left? I don't know. Am I? When I heard you ask which cat you should choose, I knew it wasn't me. So I just hid in this clump of grass and waited. Well, the little old man picked up the little kitten from out of the tall grass and brought him inside. He brushed him and combed him and clipped his claws and gave him sweet milk to drink from a bowl. And in a few days, that scrawny little gray cat looked beautiful. And the little old man said, you know, I think you are the best cat. And I should know, for I have seen cats here, cats there, cats and kittens everywhere, hundreds of cats, thousands of cats, millions and billions and trillions of cats. And that is the story, Millions of Cats.